Hi friends, how are you all? Okay, today we are going to see how to remove green background. You can say green background here, or how to remove a green mat or green screen easily in Premiere Pro. Here you can see a video. I'm just playing that video. So we need to remove this green background. So let's see how it works. Okay, it is a very easy process. Just listen carefully, you will understand it. So for removing green background, first we have to go to this effects. Here is my mouse pointer. I think, here itself. Yeah, you got it. So here you can see effects. In effects, just type ultra key. So here we have got ultra key option, okay, which is used for removing green background in Premiere Pro. So let's go to effects control. Before going to effect control, you have to select this video. So effect control is opened here. If it didn't come, just click on this. Here is my mouse pointer. Just click on it. You can see effect control. Okay. So I have opened this effect control dialog box. So in this, just double click on effects, ultra key. Yeah. Now the ultra key is present in this effect control. Okay. So in this, we are going to pick the green color. See, this is a process. That's it. It removed the green background from our video. And in this, okay, I'll repeat it again. Okay, so here we have got ultra key. Ultra key is a preset or a plugin that is available in effects. If you go to effects and when you search ultra key, you will get that option and double click on it, and this ultra key option will appear on our effect controls dialog box. Okay, in that, choose the key color you want. So here we have to remove green color. I am choosing green color. Now just see, the process is completed. Now the green background I have removed. It is an easy process. That's what I told. There is nothing much to worry. And here we are changing. Just go to this matte cleanup in ultra key. Just change this contrast to 100 and this to 100. Okay, so we have given this. You can see the changes that happened for outline, and if you don't give this midpoint and contrast into 100, these small gradients of green will be visible here and there. Here there will be small shades of green. So now the part is over. Okay, so I will show you whether this green background is removed or not. Let's insert an image. Let's insert, I am not finding an image, good image. We have to insert a good image. Let's see. We have got a forest photo. Okay, let's place it here. Okay, just okay, just expand this. Yeah, so I'm just placing our video which we removed green background, just placing above this photo and move this. See, this is it. From where we have come, see, we have changed the green background of this video. We have got this character, and now we have placed that video character above our inside an image. If you want to change the size of this green, I mean this character, just click on it and go to effects control. Yeah, my clip, yes, okay, and change the size and keep wherever you want, move the position you want. You can just enlarge it how much you want and all. Okay, now I have placed this image here and just playing this video. See the video is working. So guys, this is the process for removing background color or green matte, green color, green matte or green whatever of a video or an image. This is same procedure, exactly the same procedure for removing green matte or green color of an image, I mean the background. Okay, it is easy process. I think you have understood so far. And I have a request: don't skip the video when you watching. This is only a few minutes video. If you skip this video, you will not understand easily. So just try to see every frame of this video, then you will understand easily. This is so easy process, and you don't need to worry about, okay, I have to do this, click on this button, click on this button. We have only few procedures here. It is so easy, I think. Okay, so we will wind up now, and thank you guys. Before that, please do subscribe, click on like button. If you like this video, share to your friends who likes to know this about this thing, how to remove green matte from a video or an image. So thank you guys, thank you so much.